Go ahead.
My lord. Good head. Hello. By the way, I really liked your power on that headshot with the pull axe.
That's good?
Yeah, it was nice.
Okay.
It wasn't one of those things where I had to think about it. I was like, wham! Oh, good.
Okay.
Let's go fight. Enjoy.
Lord. My lord. I'll take that.
Yeah, you are getting some good power with that. Nice.
Just figure it out.
Enjoy.
Hello. Good. So I have a question.
Sure.
If they hit me in my hands, should I
Okay. As far as the rule goes, the hands are no target, so they hit your hands no point.
Okay.
I myself take the shot as a hand usually because I'm trying to remind myself to not let myself get hit on the hand.
I see.
It's just a self-training thing.
Okay.
Please. Hey, Kyoka.
Oh, hey. My lord.
Yeah, I think that's too long for me.
My lord.
My lord.
You alright? Yeah,
No,
good.
good.
Okay. Okay.
I want you to hit me harder to punish my stupidity.
My lord.
My lord.
One more time.
Swing that, swing.
One more time. How about that? My lord.
My lord.
My lord.
My lord. Ah, leg. Attack. Come in. Come close. Leg. Far dead zone. So,
Come on, let's play, man.
come close. The forearm.
My lord.
It was off here, but it still hit me.
Yeah, because look,
Yeah.
put your pole up,
Yeah.
so to speak. Basically, I look to here, and then I push a little bit more this way to the left.
Ah,
I gotta blow through. So look, put your defense up. Okay? Now you're going really hard on it, but I have to go through there. That's it.
Right.
But it's not just this, or you'll block it. I have to go around it.
Ah, I got it.
So you punch it,
Yeah, so it's still enough.
and you can usually get past the defense. Defense again. Ready? Start on the right side.
Okay.
Start on the right side. Start on the right side like you were.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because I do this, it goes around your pole to block it as well.
Yeah.
Okay? Thanks.
I won. My lord.
My lord. Oh, boy. That's something to pass it that. No, that was
I paid the
terrible.
price for that.
That was terrible. But good on the pass though. I mean, now, see how you get in there? I think the thing, Tony, you're throwing a great shot, and then as you do it, you're dropping your shields.
Yeah.
Those are fights.
My lord. Lord. My lord. My lord. Many of the shots are thrown
Mike, hold. Mike, was that, how was the leg shot? Was it light? Hard to tell. So give him some feedback. If you really don't think it's strong enough, say light so he knows to hit harder, okay?
Okay.
Okay, more power, Dozo.
My lord.
Oh.
Light.
Light.
Has he fought before?
It's kind of tough. He's fighting.
It's kind of tough. My lord.
Hello.
Everybody hit harder.
It's
It's like death by 1,000 cuts.
Somebody give a hard shot. End this misery.
Don't torture each other. And okay.
Okay, good fight.
My lord. My
My
lord.
lord. Ah, good.
My lord.
Good. First one was good.
I'm not sure if it was a wound or a kill, so I just like keep hitting until it stops moving. Hey, John. Okay. My lord. Really, both of us are just kind of
Yeah.
let's try it again. My lord. Oh, that was too much work, man. Good job, John.
Yeah, thanks.